I wanted to show you this video just to show you how we can do things in your home in the event that you buy something high-end from a company that may not provide installation services. We try to get installation services whenever we can, but in some instances, like in this, where we bought this high-end infrared sauna from Radiant Heat, there is no distributorship in the Southeast, so we're having to put it together ourselves. So as you can see here, we are starting to debox it. We've got the bottom right here, over here, if I circle around. We've got the top over here, back right here. That's got speakers and lights in it. We've got our assistants as we come up. Oh, there's two assistants that are gonna help us with the install today. And then there's two boxes here behind me. I'll show you the different steps that we're gonna go through putting together. In this case, we're gonna start with the floor first. It's kind of a plug and play. They give you everything you need in the box to do it. We chose this sauna for this space because it's got the best ratings of any sauna on the market. And again, like I told you, in the Southeast, there's no distributorship, so we've set up an arrangement with the manufacturer that if you want it for your home, we can work on that and get that for you and get you a good deal on it, better than you can get anywhere around. So we're going to start putting this together, and I'll jump in with different videos. You'll probably see 5 or 6 different videos of the different steps and us putting together. It takes 2 people. Me and my wonderful wife are going to put it together, and we'll show you the steps on the way. Thanks.